Green tea is one of the most popular drinks in South Korea and East Asia for beauty and weight loss purposes. A drink which was once served in monks and among noble families is now a must in your favorite K-pop idol's beauty regimen to keep them pretty and healthy. Let's learn more about this youth and health elixir. Part 1. Green tea benefits for skin. According to studies, green tea's major component EGCG can suppress inflammation-related enzymes. This health elixir is also full of antioxidants and caffeine that can tighten the skin and alleviate puffiness by reducing water retention. Likewise, green tea inhibits melanin production, which aids skin whitening and reduces hyperpigmentation, and as a result, give you a more even and brighter skin tone. What's more, green tea is moisturizing and hydrating and known to stimulate the proliferation of keratinocyte that has a strong anti-aging effect to avoid wrinkles and fine lines. Overall, green tea has been used in many skincare products for the treatment of various skin disorders. According to studies, polyphenol in green tea can prevent and reduce acne and redness, as well as removing excess oil and sebum. Part 2. Green tea for body health. Apart from its great benefits for skin, green tea is good for your body too. Let's delve into its great advantages for your body. Green tea is a natural detox drink. It purifies your body and helps it fight free radicals, which in turn prevents your body from damaging healthy cells. Green tea improves cognitive function. According to some studies, green tea can have a positive effect on brain function, mood management, and cognition functions, especially in older and middle-aged adults. Green tea aids fat burn and weight loss. Green tea can slightly help fat burn and weight loss, especially in women. However, more evidence is required. Green tea lowers the levels of cholesterol. Green tea significantly lowers the level of cholesterol in people with different weight ranges. Green tea lowers blood sugar. Green tea can help avoid type 2 diabetes and can help lower the level of blood sugar if consumed regularly. However, more research is needed as results have been mixed. Green tea prevents some types of cancer. Green tea may help prevent some types of cancer like lung and ovarian cancer, but the effect is minor and inconsistent. Green tea enhances oral health. Some research on animal subjects has shown that green tea can enhance oral health. However, research on human subjects is needed to confirm it. Green tea improves heart health. Green tea may lower some markers of heart disease like blood pressure, and consequently it may enhance heart health and prevent strokes. Green tea aids longevity. According to a Japanese research, those who consumed more than 5 cups of green tea daily had an overall lower chance of death for all causes. Part 3. How to make green tea. Here is the green tea recipe with no bitterness. Take 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or green tea bag and put it in a teapot or a strainer. Boil the water and let it cool down for 30 to 40 seconds to avoid bitterness. Then, pour the water into the teapot or strainer, cover the lid and let it steep for only 3 minutes. Now your green tea is ready. You can add honey or lemon for more flavor. Part 4. How much green tea daily? Green tea is packed with health and skin benefits, and to make the most of them, it's best to consume 3 to 5 cups per day. However, drinking up to 8 cups of green tea is generally safe for most people. It's important to note that green tea can affect people differently, so start with small amounts to find your personal tolerance. It is recommended to consume green tea in the morning or afternoon. Part 5. Who should avoid green tea? While green tea is generally considered safe for most individuals, it may not be the best option for those with certain health issues. Here are the most common reasons individuals may want to avoid consuming green tea. Green tea may worsen insomnia due to its caffeine content. Nevertheless, avoiding green tea or any caffeinated drink 5 hours before bed can help avoid this issue. It is noteworthy that green tea may aid sleep in some individuals. So it's basically different from person to person. Green tea may cause or worsen stomach issues. Green tea, especially when excessively brewed and consumed on an empty stomach, can potentially irritate or worsen stomach issues. It is better for people with acid reflux and stomach ulcers to avoid green tea altogether. Green tea can worsen or cause headaches. So, if you have migraine or regular headaches, it's recommended to avoid consuming green tea regularly. Likewise, occasional consumption is totally fine. Green tea can worsen anemia and iron deficiency by interfering with iron absorption. To alleviate this issue, it's recommended to consume green tea with lemon, as its vitamin C content helps iron absorption. You can also have green tea 1 to 2 hours before or after a meal. However, if you suffer from severe anemia, it's advised to completely avoid green tea. Green tea can cause and worsen bone illnesses as it blocks calcium absorption. Make sure to consume calcium supplements and avoid green tea if you are prone to bone disease like osteoporosis. Green tea may interact with some medications, especially stimulants. If you are taking medication, make sure to consult with your doctor. Green tea may cause dizziness. This only happens to individuals who are allergic or consume in large amounts. Green tea can worsen thyroid conditions. It's better to avoid green tea as it affects thyroid hormones. Green tea can worsen liver and kidney problems. In some rare cases, green tea can worsen liver problems. It's better to limit or avoid green tea if you have liver or kidney issues. What are your thoughts on the video? Tell us in the comments below, and thanks for watching.